We have safari which is included in the package. So we'll have safari in the evenings. Around we'll start here at 2:30, wherein we take them to our educational center, wherein we show them what all animals, birds, and that you can see in Amrabad Tiger Reserve, and what forest department is doing to save the forest, and what are other activities that forest department has taken care to also make our chenchus more economically stable. So these all things are taken care, so we show them. And we also, the biggest thing is like the problem over here is plastic, because people dispose lot of plastic while traveling. So we have rat pickers who come and collect the plastic from the place. So in the sense, we have two vehicles which will take them and drop them, and then they go and collect all the garbage, like plastic covers, bottles, glasses, and the plates what they use, and they fill the bags. And once the bag is filled, they tie it and leave it on the road. And when our vehicles will go and pick up the all the garbage which is stored in the packet, in the bags, and they get it to our center, which is a segregation center, which is plastic management, where we do. And we have a tie up with a company called Recycle. The segregation is done, and we do the baling, and we sell it to them, and they pay certain amount for the, as per kgs they pay. And then we have chenchus who are involved in this. So the rack pickers are also chenchus, and the people who are doing segregation and baling is also done by the chenchus.
They are from local people.
They are local people. So the local tribals are called chenchus. And in the evening, when we take them for safari, and it's about 20 kilometers, 80 to 20 kilometers. So they go into the wild, and they go and try to see birds, animals. And we also have guides who are chenchus, who will educate them about plants. For example, we are standing below some tree. We don't know what tree is that, right? So they'll also make them understand what is the importance of the tree in the forest. For example, they might be fruiting at a different season. They'll explain about that, and what other animals eat those fruits, how helpful it is. So these all things are taught by our local chenchus and our guides. We have sambar deer, we have spotted deer, we have nilgai, and we have leopard, tiger, and sloth bears, and smaller other animals like porcupine, wild boar, rattle. These are all the animals that we have, and we have about 300 plus species of birds. Okay, so it's difficult for anybody to see all the 300, but for one visit, what we make inside the forest when we do the safari, we'd at least see at least 10 to 15 varieties of birds can be seen, and rest other 20 plus can be covered when we go for trekking. So on an average, we are at least able to cover 50 plus at least. So that's a good number what we feel. So I think that's how the trekking ends. They come back over here after they finish the trekking, and then they go and get freshen up, and then we have a bonfire because it's a winter season. And then after that, we'll sit and we'll just chat about how was the trip, and we'll share. They'll ask us a lot of questions, how is our work over here, and a lot of things that we share with them. It's like more of a it's just like, it's not just interaction, but more of a knowledge sharing things. We share our experience, and they tell us how they feel about it and what else they are expecting. So these all things are done across the bonfire.